Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into a behavior that you might have noticed. That is, discrepancies between your integrated calendar and your OnceHub booking links. For example, you might have added or removed an event on your calendar, and the OnceHub booking links are not yet reflecting the changes on your availability. To resolve this, please log into your account, click on the profile icon on the top right, head over to User Integrations, then select the calendar, for example, Google Workspace, and scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here you will see the Busy Time Cache button. You can go ahead and turn it off or turn it on. That is like toggling the Busy Time Cache button builds your Busy Time Cache again, rebuilding the stored data and resyncing your calendar to resolve any discrepancies. Here, this option is currently available for Google Calendars and for your Microsoft 365 calendars. The Visit and Cache button can definitely help you resolve any discrepancies with your calendar. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.